Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Umakega Maphorisa.
Wanderers. Access Tibo.
Yeah,
my friends with.
Yeah.
Well done to Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Athletes Praga.
Quality.
Athletes, but second half.
Yeah.
Okay, Chabalala naltingo kimi Praga. Nakamko game kiboni.
Yeah.
Mfanola kya otla machita ba re tshwantse ba mmitse go squatting. No.
He's not ready.
Yeah. Chabalala re berekele.
Yeah.
Ke playmaker ya rena Praga. You remember go buditse ka Velepai.
Yeah.
Ka butsa ka Luke partner.
Yes.
And then Chabalala salting mo picture.
Yes.
Pantlaloanya Praga. But Chabalala re berekele unlike Mfundo Vilakazi.
Yes, va.
Mfundo Praga.
Okay.
Second game ya second game.
Yeah.
A change it game and work or
Yeah.
and I mean work creator the goals Lilepo Mfundo Vilakazi alting Praga buletsu ntong ya hore Lilepo is a player what come kaiboni.
Yeah.
Na Lilepo I'm one of the fan elori am criticize Lilepo ne, but when Mfundo Vilakazi alting go gaming Lilepo khona ukora Praga wanhlalwanya Praga Chiefs yes itletse ramnati 3 point value na rubela juice and then ntongwe ekenya go ibolela mo herwela mrao wherever rewelang re tswa East London or Gauteng or Cape Town re tlelo supporta Chiefs so ne kopela ntongwe ya di driver please don't drink and drive ufilo ba rena botlhokwa le ka o sane re sanya go ibona Chiefs sanya go ibone e betha pakani wa ntlhalwanya Praga Stibo last one Stibo ke ratore ke re thank you koma fans wethu ama fans wethu you are bigger, you are coming bigger, and I wish for ama fans wethu bukamoso bo tshwana le Kaizer Chiefs ibe brand e whole ya tshwana le Kaizer Chiefs ama fans wethu praise raiswela Steve behind the cameraman everyone who's on the picture bafethu ke le frustana ra le frustana I know ba le frustana le go spanning fit ba tlo ra celebrate na ba mpotse sorry king whatever we tsalang wa ntshwara is because rata ama fans wethu re utlwile ke Ivan Khoza ka ma fans wethu le mtsipe ebe are no you are being recognized ra lutlwa ntweri etsang a ifelimo bafethu is because of when umlomo wa rena ko di pick kwa di VIP kwale bafethu a re kaofela
Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.